I feel like I'm in an episode of Lost. Super cool. A vintage 1965 Boeing 727 that's been gutted, and it's perched among the jungle canopies here. And there is the tail of the plane. How awesome is that? I feel like I'm in an episode of Lost. Super cool.
So one of the cool things about this airplane is that it's all one big suite. Check out the back room, you get really cool views of the airplane.
You can see out the back of the plane.
So before we show you the next bedroom, which actually sleeps 4, I gotta show you the next, or the other porch, because these views are incredible.
Woodwork here, especially in the ceilings, is just breathtaking. Incredible. Wow.
I think my all-time favorite thing about the airplane, hands down, has to be the cockpit, which they have turned into a ridiculously cool bathroom. You've got a big, beautiful shower with some nice
There you
light.
go. A shower with a view.
So what makes this bathroom so cool and unique is obviously the captain's seat. Our stay at one of the most unique tin hotels in the world did not disappoint. Toucans flew onto our balconies in the morning, monkeys played on top of the airplane. It was an absolute dream come true, and we will definitely come back here in the future.